Before you begin your stock market adventure, you must understand the terms stocks and shares. The terms are, however, frequently used interchangeably. Many people are still unaware that there is a distinction between a stock and a share. Stay with me till the very end of this video and I promise you that you will know the basic difference between these two. Hi everyone, I am Prarthana from Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform where we have served more than 6 million tax filers so far. Subscribe to our channel to get investing tips and learn more about growing your money. Stocks are financial instruments that represent part ownership in one or more companies. You become a shareholder of a firm when you purchase its stock. The stock certificate acts as a proof of ownership and shows how many shares you can own. You can invest in a single firm or a group of enterprises. The amount of stocks you can have in your portfolio is limitless. Generally, investors want to purchase stocks of companies that are expected to grow in value. When the stock prices rises, the stockholder can sell their stock and profit. A share is a unit of stock in a company. As a result, stocks are divided into shares, each representing a portion of the company's ownership. Suppose a person X owns 100 shares of ABC including. If ABC Inc. has 1 lakh shares, it means X owns 0.1% of the company. Shareholders may earn interest on their investments as dividends. However, this is only one reason to invest in a company. Another reason is that their involvement in the company increases its worth, leading to higher stock prices. Shareholders can then sell these shares at a higher price than they paid to profit from their investment. Is the share market in India making sense? If it is, then write clear in the comment section below. So, let us look at the difference between shares and stock market.
Firstly, types. There are mainly two kinds of stocks, common stock and preferred stock. As with shares, investors can own two types of shares, private and public. Secondly, denomination. Individuals who own stocks can choose different stocks of different values. Those who own shares in a specific company can, of course, own multiple shares, but the shares will only be of the same or equal value. Thirdly, nominal value. There are no nominal values associated with stocks. However, there is some nominal value associated with the shares. Fourthly, numeric value. When you own a stock in a company, you own shares of that company's stock. The term stock has no value and can relate to one or more companies. In contrast, each share has a specific value and relates to a specific company. Fifth, paid up value. Stocks are by definition always fully paid up, while shares are paid up in full or in parts. Sixth, kind of investment. Stocks refer to corporate equities and securities traded on a stock exchange. Shares can refer to a large group of financial instruments known as securities. They can include mutual funds, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, limited partnerships, real estate investment trusts, etc.
So folks, I hope you understood the difference between a share and a stock. You can start your investment journey by downloading the Black app by ClearTax from the link given in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Download the Black app as it will help you grow your wealth and of course invest wisely. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance related content. See you soon in the next video. Take care.